I'm beating every PS1 game, and I mean all of them. The twist is, every game is randomized, so I don't know what's coming next. This is me beating the PS1.
Oh, and by the way, it's August 21st. So that means it's Jeffy's 22nd birthday. So happy birthday to me, I guess.
Our 83rd game is Motocross Mania 2. So in Europe, it was released in mid-June 2003, and it was developed and published by Gotham Games. Yeah, we got another racing game. Yeah, we got a lot of those before, like South Park Rally, my first ever game of the challenge. But bro, we could have got Motocross Mania 1. Yeah, I got the first one, but nope. The true number generator decided to just pick the sequel. Yeah, I got kind of annoyed because I want to play a game on console, not emulator. But yeah. Anyways, let's play the game. So, here it is, and now let's boot it up. Oh, here we go. Damn. That was sick. Alright, well, I'm picking English. Here is Motocross Mania 2, sadly. Could have played the first one, but nope. But it's okay because the sequel is more better. But anyways, here's arcade, career, track editor, options and credits right here. But yeah, we're gonna do career. So I guess we should start in 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, riding. Oh yeah, my name is gonna be Jeffy. Oh, what the hell? Yep, my full name is Jeffy. Alright, male. I'll pick this one. Yeah, let's just start. Alright, let's start the race. Alright. Damn, how's the FPS actually smooth? Probably because, like, the game came out in, like, 2003? Oh crap. Bro, what?
Well, I came in fourth, so that sucks. Yeah, this game looks sick. I think the first one was pretty cool as well, but this one was the sequel, so yeah, it's more better actually. Damn, I finished in second. It's crazy how this game was released in 2003. Yeah, man. That's such a really late PS1 game. Oh my god, I'm doing bad. Bro. You have got to be kidding me. Well, I hear the vacuum right now, and you know how annoying that is in videos. So, yeah. Let's go, I'm in first. There we go, I finally won. But it's only once. Damn it. Crap. Bro, my fucking controller disconnected. Bro. Bro, I suck at this game. Man, I only got one win, bro. Yeah, this sucks. What the hell? Bro, come on! Damn it, this is so hard. I meant to say difficult. Oh wow, I have 69 points. Nice. Well, we go round to 9. Oh, there we go. I actually know how to boost. New course record? Damn. Let's go. Oh, damn it, bro. Oh my god. That was insanely close. Damn, look at that. Oh crap. Alright, here is the credits. So yeah, we beat this game in 40 minutes. Yeah, so we completed career mode and yeah, that's it. Yeah, here's the rest of the credits. But man, we could have genuinely played the first one, but nope. Yeah, that was like unlucky. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, let's go for the ratings. Alright, here is Motocross Mania 2. We beat the game in 14 minutes and 27 seconds, and the difficulty is 6 out of 10, and the enjoyment is 9 out of 10. Yeah, the sequel is more better than the first one, actually. But whenever we get Motocross Mania, yeah, I actually own it. Yeah, let me show you. Yeah, but there's a disc. I'm gonna see if it's more better. But if it's not, then I don't know. The sequel wins, I guess. But anyways, let's see what game we get next. Alright, here's the list of PS1 games, and here's the number generator. I'm gonna generate that number, and let's see what game we get next. Alright, it landed on 830. I'm not sure if this is gonna be an NBA game, but let's see. Well, nope. It's NHL Power Play 98. Okay, well, it's not an NBA game, but it's still a sports game, and it's NHL. Well, yeah, that's the next game. I'm not even sure if it's gonna be fun. You know, since it's gonna be a sports game, it's gonna be short. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. And our next game is NHL Power Play 98. So, we'll see you guys in episode 84.